Hello everyone. Today is the end for this workshop in Medicover hospitals, and it was a 2-day amazing session on IVUS and the complex procedures in coronary as well as non-coronary intervention. And Dr. Sharath Reddy had provided some great insights into how, as a beginner also and as an expert also, you can upgrade your skills in decoding the image-guided interventions for the coronary as well as for non-coronary intervention. It was an amazing setup, amazing set of cases which were performed there, and we all learned very well. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Subhash, cardiologist from Anantapur Super Specialty Hospital. So I have attended today this program at Medicover hospitals. So it was very informative, and I can improve my skills, especially while doing an IVUS by this program. It is a very useful program. Anybody can attend, and it is very informative, very useful to do advanced procedures like CTO interventions and ISR everything.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shravan Kumar Rampilli. I am working as consultant cardiologist at Medicover Hospital, Warangal. Today I have attended the workshop Decoding IVUS from Medicover Hospitals, High Tech City. It's a very useful workshop. It is very practical, and we have gained a lot of insights on the use of sizing of the balloon, sizing of the stent, and practical points where to use IVUS, like in left main or bifurcation, or instant restenosis, even CTOs, how to do a proximal cap puncture. It was a very practical workshop. I highly recommend everyone to attend this workshop. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Anurag Bahekar. I'm from Gondia, close to Nagpur. So I've been practicing since last 5 years, and I think now it is imperative for all of us to learn about IVUS. And this is a very wonderful program. It covered almost all the basics of IVUS, right from the imaging basics to certain important tips and tricks. And we also got hands-on with some of the hardware that is also available around. Along with it, we also got information about certain other important aspects like stent sizing, balloons, various hardware that can be utilized, and it's a very wonderful program. Thank you.
Hello, myself Dr. Fani from Guntur. This was a very good learning session to learn about IVUS imaging basics and optimization, stent optimization in the left main and CTO lesions. This was a very good learning session. I enjoyed it. I would like to participate in future events also. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Sumer from Ludhiana. It was a very nice learning session from Medicover Hospital by Dr. Sharath and team. Very nice learning points about IVUS, optimization, interactive session, question and answer, and live cases. I learned a lot, and I'll definitely look forward to participating in future conferences also. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Myself Dr. Nikhil, consultant cardiologist in Aditya Hospital from Guntur. First of all, I am very thankful to Medicover and Dr. Sharath Reddy sir for conducting this good IVUS program. It is very beneficial for us, mainly the young cardiologist. I learned many topics through this program. I am also interested further coming to all these programs. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Dr. Imran Lak. I am consultant cardiologist, Amur Hospital, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone in Medicover Hospital, especially Dr. Sharath sir, and the entire team took a great effort in explaining all the young and budding cardiologists in detail about which is very difficult to get anywhere else. So this is a great opportunity. I would like to attend future such workshop so that helps in management and managing other patients, and it also helps in building ourselves. Thank you one and all.
Hello, I am Dr. Abni Najmul Islam, currently working as a junior consultant of cardiology department at Bangladesh Specialist Hospital. It was a great opportunity for me to attend this encoding session of IVUS, which was organized by Medicover Hospital. I especially give Sharath sir and his team a great thank you that he organized this program so organizedly that I have able to encode the IVUS session. Now I am hoping I can use this IVUS in my country to help my people. And also I like to thank Boston Scientific to help me with this conference, and thank you everyone for this. I wish good luck to Medicover Hospital as well as Boston.
I'm Dr. Mukul. I'm from WIMS Bangalore. I came here for the IVUS workshop. Excellent workshop, excellent talk, and wonderful mentoring by Dr. Sharath sir. We really liked the overall program and the workshop. Also, the extent of the workshop, right from the coronaries to CTO to ISR to carotids, we almost covered the complete spectrum of the use of IVUS. Really It was a enlightening experience. Really wonderful. Thank you for this opportunity, and we look forward again to come back for another workshop in this hospital. It's very good. Thank you.